Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to report a DoorDash driver. All right. We have multiple options on how to report a driver. For example, the first one right here on the top right, tap on your profile. Now go ahead and go to the very bottom and tap on Get Help. All right. Just tap on a order, then give a review. Now another option is just by calling the DoorDash customer support. All right. The number is 1-855-431-0459. Again, 1-855-431-0459. Now, another way to contact them if you're using a computer, all right? In the same page at about.doordash.com/en-us/safety. In this page, just go ahead and scroll down and click on Customer Help Center. All right, click on it. Now go ahead and click on Chat with Us in the DoorDash app. Click on it, and your DoorDash dashboard will open. As you can see here, you can freely report a driver from here. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.